Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. Flutter online glossary app, admin apps inside. Today we need to say this here the upper view models we need to develop here. First of all, now need to create here the new models for the oppers. Now create here the new files and to give this here the name upper model dot dots. Maybe here type on to first of all fix this here the rename like here. Now we need to copy here the promo code models and we need to paste here and to now need to change here promo code model to upper model like this sets. Now need to change this here the upper id, so change here. Now need to remove your titles and set here the price and to set here double. Start date, end date and created dates need to set here. Now need to change here the upper price to remove here unused parameters and this code also. Also need to change here upper id, set here upper id, remove code titles types like this value. Need to set here product price. Now need to convert into the doubles, try to parse and need to write down here the string, set here price to string. If not gets, then to set here 0. Start date, end date and created dates like this need to configure here. Now need to change here the hopper, set here the price, remove unused. Also need to set this here the hopper id and also need to change here price like this, creating here the upper models. Now we need to go inside the view models folders and to create here the new view models, create here the new files and to give this here the name upper view model dot dots like this creates. Now need to copy here the promo code view models. Now need to go inside the promo code view models, copy and now need to paste inside here the upper view models, paste here. Now need to change this here the view models name upper view models and also need to change this here the list upper model like this ads and also need to imports here like this settings. Now need to change here the promo codes to upper object, removing here the text fields and to set this here the price, remove here the upper text, upper price to only price like this change. Select here no needs types, need to clean this here. Also remove here the promo code models. Now need to clean this here the new openings, set here, so remove also these types no needs and we need to commit this here these lines of the add new products and also need to pass this here the product models, detail models as objects and to declare this here the one of the variables for the ads. Select product object is equal to write down here the rx brackets inside the product detail models, optionals, and give this here the value as a null like sets here. Now need to copy and to set this here the value dot value is equal to set this here the object like this configures and to set this here. Then after need to call this here the another actions. So need to call here like this price and to write down here the enter offer amounts. Now also need to remove this here the unused codes. Set here the types. Needs here the start date and date. Also need to remove here the unused codes. Now need to copy and to give this here the product ID. Product ID. Set here. Select product objects and to give this here the product values dot product ID. If not gets then to pass this here the blank. Like these configurations are the needs here to string like this. Set here and to configure this here. Then after edits, no needs need to clean this here. Only add, delete and list API need to available. That's why need to not call this here the updates events. Now need to clear this here. Same as now need to delete offer models. Now need to pass this here the offer ID underscore ID. Need to set here offer ID. Like these configurations are the needs for the delete products. Now need to call this here the API. Now declares here the API. Now need to create here the name static const sv offer add is equal to write down here the dollars base URL and to write down here the offer add and also another two API set here offer deletes and offer list. Now need to give this here the API names. Need to set here offer lit and offer list. Like this calls here. Now need to save here and now need to go inside the API calls and find out here the API list and now need to change this here the offer list API and also make sure here the offer models need to parse and also need to check here like this data. Maybe here model inside make one issue. Need to fix this here. Set here teachers product type like this sets. Now need to also guess computer set here product ID and to set here product score ID. Same as now need to copy and to paste this here and to pass this here the product ID. Like this save and to set this here. And also need to add parameters inside sv or add need to call this here the API and to clear this here the txt price value dot text is blank. You need to set this here. After getting here the successfully you need to return this here the done callbacks and to call this here the list API again. So need to call this here and also no needs here the updates API you need to clean this here because only here add or deletes and list API you need to available stand by. Now to write down here the sv dot so per deletes and to pass like this here. These parameters need to set here and to return this here the if success then to again refresh this list to set this here the data. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.